Say hi, Haifa. Happy birthday. Hi, Trisha. Hi, Ange. I love being in the middle of these two. What'd you say there, Angeline?
Her nostrils got bigger. Wow, your boyfriend's so bright too. There he is. Wow. Why is that idiot wearing 2 layers? I just need to wear a max. Her nostrils got bigger.
Hi, Chloe. Oh, wow.
Yo, can you show your girlfriend?
Where'd my water bottle go?
Don't ask the first question. You have a water bottle now?
Can you? Aray. I missed you! Hey, so I'm with Yu.
Hi.
And there's sand in my shoes now. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Hold up. Whoa. Oh, there's so many people.
Oh.
It's so hot.
I know, why are you wearing a long sleeve? Birthday girl! Happy birthday!
It was that same dog that
Oh, sorry.
Vlog.
Hey, what's up? What? What's up? Oh my god,
That's what you
great.
look like.
Oh, what's that? How does it go in?
Yeah, dalagang Filipina. Yeah.
Kind of hurts.
The box kind of hurts.
Oh, it hurts?
Yeah.
Let me in.
Wait, me too.
I can't go in. Wait, hold up.
I don't. Wait.
No, not here, but here.
Hello.
So, everyone's out there. This is my Tita Julie. I'm gonna teach this girl how to swim. Over there.
I can't swim.
Here's our stuff. Here's Angelica. Okay, so we all showered and now we're gonna eat. Okay, so it's time to eat. We have burgers.
I have a plain burger.
Yeah, these two, Eunice, or that's not Eunice, Angeline and Eunice, no vegetable, but me and Angelica, high five, sister. Look at me. And here's the sun.
Hi.
Eunice is taking pictures.
Oh my gosh, can we do that?
And this is our Uber driver. So Anyan's replacing Kim.
Hi, Kim. Oh my gosh, where are you been?
It's Kimberly! Kim got taller! Yeah, Kim got shorter hair. Wait, the picture.
You can't do it. I just.
Good job, guys. Like that. That's perfect. It's golden hour. You know what that means. I got it.
Here, I got more.
Yeah!
How do you? Hi, Iris.
We'll get a peel.
Let me tell you what she means to me.
So beautiful.
Sometimes I stop to close my eyes. It's exactly what I need. Yo, hoodie twin, what's good? Yeah, wait. Like, flex that. Come on, mama. Okay, here's my hoodie twin number 1. And here's the knockoff version.
I don't want to wear it now.
You have it?
Yeah.
Wear it! Wear it! Wear it! Wear it! Come on! Come on! Ew. Fancy. Wow. Ah, mosquitoes. Wait, how'd you say it again? Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. Yes, you did. Mosquitoes. Oh, the mosquitoes.
You're watching Disney Channel.
I'm DJ and you're watching Disney Channel. Oh, wait, wrong way.
It's
I got you.
Virginia.
Wait, see, everyone always wants to kill me.
Virginia died of trying to eat a
She's a dude.
Died trying to eat
I was a freaking civilian. Hold up.
She is civilian.
See, everyone.
Hands for Piolo, just hands. No talking. Hands.
Chloe! What bottle
I saw
says
two
Chloe?
Piolo. Do it. Hands for Chloe. Hands for Chloe.
Chloe!
Wait.
Wait, would there be a kiss Piolo?
Everyone's being accused.
Please.
Work together.
Very important. So you're gonna get it.
It's Anya.
When you smell it.
And I told him, like, hey, go to the fucking apologize.
You get away.
He said he was going to, and he said he was.
Good morning. That is a dark ass cloud. Look, it's like you know those paintings.
It doesn't.
Where'd the frog go?
Wait,
Oh, it's right. Where is it? Right there.
wait, no,
Right there.
Oh.
And there's so many flies.
Frog, eat the bugs. You do frog things.
Haifa's away. Everyone else is out there besides them.
Hi.
Okay, so I'm with Janelle.
I look like a boy.
It's okay. So we're leaving now. Everyone else is still there. We have to leave, but I'm not complaining. I'm gonna be napping when I get home. Oh, it's Ruben. Bye, Ruben. Bye, Ruben. Bye. Bye, YouTube. This is a bad vlog. I'm so sorry.
Oh, 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 I love you. Hey, hey, hey. A little bit of sunshine in my life. A little bit of reggae for my ride. A little bit of color for my feet. A little bit of summer, what I need. A little bit of pass out in the sun. A little bit of stay up after one. A little bit of movement, that's the plan. A little bit of hold up, that's my jam. Hey.